that mean?
I don't know the answer.
Okay.
We don't know the answer.
Okay, I asked Kedu. What do you say? Kedu.
Odema.
Very good. Oh, Odema. Very good. Odema. Now, I'm going to ask us. Kedu aha gị? Kedu aha gị? Kedu aha gị? Do you understand that?
No.
Okay, very good. No problem. That's why we are here. Okay? That's why we are here. I still see my screen.
No. We see you.
Okay, all right.
Now we can see you again.
Okay, see it now. Afọ ole ka ị dị? Afọ ole ka ị dị?
I don't know what that means.
You don't know what that means. Very good. Yeah, do you know? Okay, that's fine. We're going. Next one. Ebee ka ị bi? Ebee ka ị bi?
I don't know.
Very good. Kedu klaasị nke gị? Kedu klaasị?
I don't know what that means.
Okay. See what you will answer me. If you don't know, you will say, Amahim, Coach Noni, Amahim. If you know,
Amahim, Coach Noni.
Very good. Amahim, Coach Noni. Let me write it in this chat box so that you will know what I'm saying. Amahim. Coach Noni, Amahim. Coach Noni, Amahim. Write it in your notes too. What that simply means is, Coach Noni, I don't know. I don't know. All right. Have you written it in your notes?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna get my notes.
Sit down. I'll write it for you.
My mom's gonna write it for me. If I need this,
Okay. Kedu ihe na-amasị gị? Chiamaka, kedu ihe na-amasị gị?
I don't know the meaning.
Okay, very good.
I don't
Now
know
we're moving over to ezinụlọ.
I think I
You know what ezinụlọ means?
I think it means
Kedu ihe bụ ezinụlọ?
We didn't ask him. Do you know ezinụlọ?
I think.
What is it?
Actually, I think.
I
think it means I am good.
No.
Okay, look at the picture and guess what it could mean. Look at the picture on the screen. Ihenna, look at the picture on the screen. What does that show you? What are the people you are seeing on the screen there?
I can't see the picture. I just see a black screen.
Yeah.
Really? You're not seeing it?
I see a little. I see it now. It's a family.
Okay, family. So ezinụlọ pụtara gịnị? Family. Ezinụlọ pụtara gịnị? Family. All right. That means we don't know. Okay. Let's go to another one. Kedu aha ụlọ akwụkwọ gị? What do you think that means?
I think it means school.
Kedu ihe ọ pụtara? School? Good. School. Very good. What is that question asking you? Kedu aha ụlọ akwụkwọ gị? Do you have an idea of what that means?
No, I think it means go to school.
No worries, that's fine. It means the name of your school. Now we are looking at something else. We are trying to see. We're trying to see different things. Now, can you see ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji? What do you think that means? Ịdị ọcha ka ịdị oji. What do you think that means?
What do you want to do when you grow up?
tried, but not really. We are going there. Okay, no worries. So what can you share about yourself in Igbo? What can you share about yourself in Igbo? What can you share about yourself in Igbo? Yenna mere. Kedu ihe ị nwere ike ikwu n'Igbo? Jamaka, can you say anything in Igbo at all? Can you tell me what you can say in Igbo?
I know
Well,
how to say
Mm-hmm.
Kedu Oduma Otutu Oma Ehihi Oma Dotua Bia Neighbor.
Amazing. I love that. Come on. Good. Chamaka, I love that. Okay. Ienamere, biko gwanum, what are the things you can tell me in Igbo?
Yam in Igbo is G.
Oh, ezigbo nwa. What else? What else can you tell me in Igbo?
He on my.
Say it loud, let her hear.
I said he on my.
Ezigbo nwa. Kedu ihe ọzọ ịma n'Igbo? Can you tell me your name in Igbo? Can you tell me how to say my name is? Can you tell me that?
In Igbo.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no worries. That's why you're here. That is why you're here. We're going to make you Prof Pro. Come on. Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, we're going to start with Abedibo. Okay? That's a good place to start. After that, we'll end up with how to say our names in Igbo. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
And I showed you some so A B C D.
Good. So A B
the alphabet.
A B C D is alphabets in English. In Igbo, we call it A B D. I say it A B D.
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 No, write it in your notes. A B D. A B D. Another name for it is Mkporo Edemede.
That's nice.
I know it's better. Look, it's A B D C E. A B C D.
Okay. How many letters do we have? How many English letters do we have? Alphabet. Can you remember?
We have
26.
Very good. 26. But in Igbo, we have how many?
36.
In Igbo, we have how many? 36. Can you see that? Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
36. Everybody say 36.
36.
36.
36.
36.
3 and 6. 3 and 6. 36.
36.
Okay. Now we're going to start
with
with
chicken.
So in Igbo, we say ah. Everybody say ah.
Ah.
So in Igbo, today we're going to learn about the alphabets. And I'm going to show you each letter and how it sounds. So you're going to read it aloud and think about the words that you've heard that starts with that letter or has that letter in it. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's move on. What can you see there?
A.
A. Now, I wrote the sound by the name A. What do you see there? The sound, how it sounds in Igbo.
A.
Ah. Good. Ah. Say it. Ah. 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 as if you want to swallow a big chicken. Ah.
I'm not saying this.
Ah.
Black. It's
Ah.
personality.
Ah. Good. Now, ah.
Can I tell her?
Tell her that the screen is blank.
The screen is blank. It's like a
Yes,
big
black.
boat. Yeah.
Really?
Yes, black. Yeah.
Now
It's better now.
Okay. Okay, can you think of anything that starts or has ah inside? Ah,
Aka.
Oh.
good. Aka, very good. Write it there. Ah,
Apple. This is apple.
No, this is Igbo.
very
not
good.
English.
Aqua. Ihenna, read what is on the screen.
Me?
Try now.
Yeah, Ihenna, read what is on the screen.
Ada.
Ada.
Ada. Say it. Ada.
Ada.
Have you heard anybody that goes with that name? Ada.
Yes.
Your cousin.
Yes.
Ada.
My cousin.
Good.
No.
Good. There's an animal called adaka. Say
Adaka.
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 Good.
Adaka.
Chiamaka, what's the name of a place that has inside? Look at the screen there.
Anambra.
Anambra. What do you know about Anambra? Do you know anything about Anambra?
It's a place in Nigeria.
Very good. It's a place in Nigeria. It's a state, actually. Very good. All right. Do you know any other thing that has R in it? Can you read on the screen, Chiamaka? A thing that starts with R.
Atu.
Atu. Do you have an idea of what that is?
A number?
A number? No. Atu means stick. Atu means stick. It's actually a chewing stick. It's called Atu. All right. Have we all written in our notes all that we have learned from have we all written in our notes?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Good.
No, I'm not.
You're
I'm
not
not
done?
done.
Okay. So we're going to be learning it
I
gradually.
promise.
You're done? Are you done?
I'm done.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay, Chiamaka, can you read what you have here?
Who can? Oh, B.
B. B. Say B.
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 Okay, tell us anything that has B in
Yeah,
it.
that's big B.
Read what is on the screen, Chiamaka.
Right, B.
Beachy.
B. I like the B.
Buchi.
Full stop.
Bucci.
Buchi. Mm-hmm.
Bara.
Bara. Mm-hmm.
Bendy.
Bendy. Good.
B. Bilu.
Ball or ball. Ball stands for ball. All right. Ebe. Bende. Buchi. Ball. Those are the different things that has B in it. Everybody say B.
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 All right. Now we're moving over to the third alphabet in the series. How many alphabets did we say we have in Igbo? How many?
36.
Very good. And we're in the third one. Now, Ihendamere, what do you think this sounds like?
Chi.
Good. Clap for Ihenna Mary. Very good. Chi as in chalk. Chi. Everybody say chi.
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 Good. Whose name do you think has chi? Do you know anybody, your cousin, your mom, anybody in your home that has chi in it?
Me, my cousin, my sister.
Good. Let me hear their names. What are their names?
If I wait, actually, Olachi, Chiamanda.
Chimamanda, good.
Me, Richard Chiamaka.
Chiamaka, very good. Ihenna, do you know anybody that has chi inside?
Chinemerem.
Chinemerem, of course. Chinemerem, very good. All right. Okay, let's write chi. Right? Let's write in our notes. Chi. Everybody say chi.
Chi.
Chi. Very good, very good, very good. All right. Let's go to the fourth alphabet. Ihenna.
Yes.
How does this sound? How does this sound?
D.
D. Say D.
D.
Again.
D.
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 Good. How many of us can read what D has? Any word that has D in it. D. I wrote something on the screen.
Die.
Good. DK. Say it. DK.
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 Good. Write in your notes. DK.
D.
Write in your notes.
The screen has turned black again. It's good now.
Okay, thank you.
K.
DK. All right, let's go to the next one.
DK.
What can we see here?
A.
E.
Ah.
E. A.
Ah. How does it sound? No, this is not Look at it again.
E.
Everybody say again. Good. Kedu ihe nwere enia? Kedu ihe nwere enia? Whenever you hear me say kedu ihe nwere enia, means what has air in it. Kedu ihe nwere air. Now read on the screen. Chamaka, read on the screen what you have there.
Ebuka.
Write E.
E. L.
Write E. See what they wrote there. Write it.
N. N-U-G.
Write it
Here.
S-A.
Space.
Okay. Write what you have on the screen. Chamaka, can you read what you have? What words did we give as example? Can you look at it?
Ebuka.
Have you heard
Daddy's name?
Yes, that's a daddy's name, right? Ebuka. You can see. So when daddy comes back today, tell him. I know how your name sounds now. Ebuka. Very good. What else?
What that's name?
What
Ellie.
else? Elle. Elle. Everybody say it. Elle.
Ella.
Ella.
Good.
Ella.
Ella.
Okay, have you heard Eze? Eze.
Yeah.
What
It's my teeth.
No.
Very good, of course. Eze putara teeth. Good. Very good. So we are jumping over to the 6th alphabet.
Right.
And can somebody tell me what this sounds like?
Fee.
Fee. Good. Fee. Say fee.
Fee.
Again.
Fee.
Fee. Again.
Fee.
Again.
Fee.
All right.
Sleep and clothes alone.
Okay. What example did I give there, Chamaka? What example are you seeing there?
Fetal.
Photo.
Photo, say photo.
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 Okay. All right. Have we finished writing?
Yes.
No, not ready.
Okay. Oh. All right. Let's go to the 8th alphabet.
Photo.
Photo. Okay. Yeah, in America, can you sound what we are seeing here? Can you sound it?
Good.
Good. Good. Good. Again.
Get.
The
Good
sound.
as in get. Good. Say good.
Good.
G.
Again.
Good.
G.
Good. Again.
Good.
Very good. Okay. Kedu ihe dị na screen na-egosi ihe g? What can we use for g?
Good. King.
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 Huh?
King. King.
Guinea.
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 It means what? Guinea.
Guinea.
Guinea. Guinea.
Guinea.
Guinea.
Ihe nna gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị? Ihe nna gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị?
Guinea.
Gịnị?
Guinea.
Good.
Good. I'm not ready.
Have you finished writing?
No, I'm
Yes.
still writing. I'm still writing.
All right. Chamaka, have you
I'm
finished
done.
writing?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
done. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. We'll move over to the next one. This is very tricky. This is tricky. And I would still give you time. I'll still give you chance to try. What does this
You're right.
look like?
G.
E.
We.
Oh
we,
yeah. We.
Good. Chamaka, I want to hear you say it. We. Again. Very good. We can be, is 2 letters of Igbo joined together, but it's very, very tricky. If you don't pay attention, you will not get it. So it sounds in words like bara, bara, we, bara. Say it, bara. Bara. Again. Agbaram also. I ran. Chamaka, say it. Agbaram also.
Abaram also.
Agbaram also. Very good. Now, there's a part of the body that has way inside. It's called Agba. Agba. Have you heard Agba?
Abla. About the light in it.
Have you heard
Jaw.
Agba before? It's the jaw. Let me see your jaw. Touch your jaw. Agba. Say it. Agba.
Aba.
Agba. That's your jaw. Agba. Okay. Are we finished writing?
Yes.
I'm gonna write the whole sentence.
Yeah, you don't need to write the whole sentence. What I need you to write is the alphabet and the words that have the alphabet so that you can recall what we learned. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Now we're going over to the next.
I'm ready.
Oh, yeah, now you're not ready.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. We're waiting for you.
I am done.
You're done? Amazing.
Yeah.
All right. Let's jump over to the next one. Now, this is yet another tricky one that has two letters combined, but it's so much fun. That's what makes Igbo beautiful. Now, let me see if you can try. Look at how it sounds.
Habla.
No. Look at how it sounds.
He.
To hiss.
Hiss.
He. Very
Hiss.
good. Who said that?
Hiss.
He.
Not me.
Okay. Say it again. He. Okay.
Huh?
And you see it
have to
in
like
words
this.
like
I have
ohere,
to look like this.
right?
Ohere.
Ohere,
Ohere.
ohere,
Ohere.
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 Ohere will be for like
A
a hole.
chicken.
But this one is ohere. Ohere. Say it. Ohere.
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 Very good. Now, have we finished writing? Let's move over.
Yes.
Drinking.
You know, you're not writing. This one cannot. Writing, you're playing. Stop that.
Okay. Are we done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We're moving over to the next one. What do we see? What do we see? Can somebody try? You all are smart.
We.
Can somebody try?
We.
We again.
We.
Tama, can let me hear you say we again. Very good. Now I want us to try. What else? What word has we inside? Read what we have there.
Right.
Iwi.
Huh?
Iwu. Iwi.
Dawa.
No, that's.
We say we. We again. Again. Very good. What word has we in it?
Iwi.
Huh?
Iwi. Iwi.
Egwu. Egwu.
Egu.
Egwu.
Egu.
Egwu.
Egu.
Egwu. Very good.
Egu.
Have you heard your mom say egwu before? In egwu. Egwuregwu.
Yeah.
So are you see where mom gets that word from? Egwugwi. So when mom tells you in egwuregwu, what do you say? I now know where that word from. Egwuregwu. Say egwuregwu.
Egu.
Very good. Egwuregwu. Good.
We.
Very good. Now let's move over to the next one. This is a lot easier. Sounds like your regular alphabet in English. Can somebody try?
H.
H.
How?
H. H.
H. H.
H. He. Say it. He.
E.
Or is a soft H? He. Say he. The deeper one is the one that has G and H. He. Say he.
He.
He. As if you want to hiss. He.
He.
Good. So, what are the words that you can see there? What are the examples we have? Chamaka, let me hear you. What are the examples?
Harpoon. Harpoon.
Ha.
Harpoon. Harpoon.
Apple. Have you heard hapumaka? Have you heard it before? Hapumaka.
No.
Have you read hapumaka before?
No.
But I'll check in my book. I'll check in my book.
Very good. Hapo means leave. Leave me alone. Hapumaka. Leave me alone. Okay? All right. Have we finished writing?
Yes.
No.
Have we finished writing?
No.
Yes.
No.
Oh yeah, I heard now. We're finished. Onna, finish. We're waiting.
Apple and this.
Who is Jenok?
I'll wait for you. You have to be writing as they're talking.
All right,
Okay.
let's move over to the next one.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. We're going to try something here.
Oh?
We have an alphabet that we have 2 dots over and above. In Igbo, this may look like the I in English, but it's a modified I. Now it's a deeper I. Can you think of how it can sound? It sounds like ink. So how do you sound it?
E.
E. Good. E. Again. Very good. Now, give me the examples on the screen. The first one, Chiamaka, you tell me the first one. Namere, you tell me the second one. Janok, who is Janok that joined us? Please put on your screen and put your right name, okay?
Yes, I see the name.
Janok. Yeah.
Inyinya. Very good. I love that. Well done, Chamaka. Inyinya. Again, say it.
Inya.
Again.
Inya.
And Ihenamere, tell me the last one. Found it. Try.
Cow.
Hannah, you're saying the English
Examples. Look at the example on the screen. The second one. Chiamaka just read Enyinya, the first one. Ihenna, read the second one.
Do it this one.
Yeah, the second one. Yes, I mean the second one.
This one there. Funny.
Ipo.
Again.
Ipo.
Ipo. To call somebody. Ipo. Achọrọ m ịkpọ Chinemerem. Achọrọ m ịkpọ Chinemerem. Ịkpọ. Good.
Come on. Ipo.
All right, so we're going to do something now. Everybody has a worksheet. Your parents will be able to share the work screen with you. Your worksheet today, I'm going to share it on the screen now. Look at what it looks like. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Good. So everybody, we're going to, these are the things we learned today. All right? You print it and you begin to fill in these worksheets. Begin to fill in these worksheets. Begin to fill it in. So what letter did we stop today?
E.
E again?
E. E.
E as in?
Equal.
Ikpo. What other example has E in it?
Inwa.
Okay, so I also have another example for you on the worksheet. Ape, A. So what I want you to do is to trace this alphabets. I want you to trace all the Igbo, all the alphabets that we've done today. From A to A. Okay?
Okay.
From A to A. That's what we're going to do today. And I hope you know we have spelling bee. I'm going to share something else.
I have.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yes.
So all these materials, you tell mommy or daddy to print it for you. You will start practicing some of them. Okay?
Okay.
You know, learn how to spell mba, 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 ndo, 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 ka, ka, biko, B-E-K-O, biko. So I want you people to start learning these words because we're going to have a spelling bee competition on Saturday. And the winners have a very grand prize that will be given by our August visitor coming to us in July from BBC News. So I want you to give your best. Make sure you follow through with your worksheets. Follow through with examples of practicing your spelling bee. Tell mommy or your big brother or sister to help you. Start practicing so that you can win the grand prize. Okay?
Okay.
Shamaka, does it make sense?
Yes.
Who is Jenok? Jenok, what is going on? Did you come to this class? Who is Jenok? Jenok, Umuoma children, we behave differently. We put on our screen when we come to class and we participate. Next time, I'll remove you. All right, I hope we have learned something today. Chamaka, did we learn something?
Yes.
Iana, did you learn something? Iana, did you learn something? You're muted. You're muted. All right, I'm sure you all learned something. Very good. So I'm going to allow you to do your worksheets, practice your spelling words, and today, every day after class, you tell Coach Noni what you learned. You read out what you learned, and you share it on the group. Okay? I want to see that you have done it and you are following. All right?
Okay.
Very good. Now, when we finish our classes, there's something we do. We say, thank you, Coach Noni. And how we say that in Igbo is? Da, dalu, Coach Noni. Ndewo, Dalu, Coach Noni. And when we want to say bye-bye, we say Kemesia. All right?
Kemesia.
Very good. So when I say, what do you say to Coach Noni? You will say, Dalu, Coach Noni. Kemesia. All right, let's go. Ian, now put on your mic. You are muted. All right, we have come to the end of our class. What do you say to Coach Noni?
Dalu.
Dalu, Coach Noni.
Coach Noni. Kemesia.
Dalu rinne Chiamaka ihe nna mere. Kemesia.
Kemesia.